to 10, 8 to 11, 8 to.
We'll start in another 2-3 minutes.
Sorry, ma'am, I'm admitting all the participants now.
Right. Thank you, ma'am.
So co-hosts can unmute themselves. I have muted all the participants for a while.
Rajit, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
So during the process, take 2 or 3
Yes,
screenshots.
definitely.
All right, we'll start with the session. Am I audible and visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Namaskar, hello, and a very, very warm welcome to all our lovely participants and our esteemed guest speaker from Baroda, Gujarat, Mr. Shailesh Thakkarji, along with his team members, Pranjit Kabu, Executive Assistant, YCG Group, and Parth Soni. We welcome you all. Shailesh sir is currently working as a consulting and coaching expert. He has an extensive 37 years of experience in both industry and skilling. He's the pioneer in the development of visual resume and video interaction across the globe since 2012. He possesses 20 years of experience in the field of consulting, communication, coaching, and skilling. He has trained around 20,000 plus students in more than 100 reputed colleges on enhancing employability. He has his own YouTube channel having around 70 plus videos related to professional incubation program, campus to corporate program, and placement empowerment program. He has worked as a CEO with Government of Gujarat Skilling Initiative named SCOPE under the then Chief Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji in 2012. He was also an advisor with the Tribal Ministry of the Government of India. So, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls, he will be sharing with us his experience and expertise on how to make your customized video resume. At the end of the session, we'll be taking a few questions and try to answer all of them within the stipulated time period. So, over to you, Shailesh, sir. Welcome once again.
Thank you very much. And Prajit, please take over from now.
So, good morning, good afternoon to one and all present here. I first of all thank the management of PSTU for inviting us on this 2 hour session on video resume, its need, types, and benefit. I would request all the participants, as this is an interactive training session wherein you will be learning the video resume, you will be seeing the resume. So keep your eyes on the screen. I would request to keep your videos on and take notes of how to prepare the video resume, and whatever doubts you have, we can resolve it in the end. So with that said, now I welcome Shailesh sir for the further welcome, sir.
Namaste and good afternoon to all. Thank you to Ravni ma'am, the management of PSDU, and thank you, Prajit, for setting the role towards the dual resume. Friends, one request, it's my hearty request. Keep your video on. If you have any connectivity problem, data problem, please manage it, because please note, this is going to be an interactive session and not a lecture. You might be tuned to a lecture where you must be keeping your video off and listening. But I'm a trainer. I get motivated by your gestures, by your style, by your interest you see, because body language matters a lot. So please keep your videos on. Okay. As such, also you will be requiring to see all those things on the screen, but simultaneously to me also. Now, video resume is a new concept, and management of this college has decided to take up this topic, and it's really nice. It shows their visionary power. I have been doing this since 2012. I developed my visual resume with the Photoshop software. Remember, with the Photoshop software, I called it a visual resume. It took about 4 hours to prepare. I am not that computer savvy, but still, I thought, based on my experience of career, I thought, if at all you want to showcase yourself to the employer, you should come out with new ideas. I must have attended in my life about 1,000 interviews, taken about 500 interviews, and found something. I mean, always trying to showcase myself, always try to develop newer and newer ways of showcasing myself, trying to make myself different from the masses. And so I was always an innovative. I changed about 50 jobs on the way to CEO. So this address to all of you, I assume that you all are interested in your career growth. Whether you are a professional, whether you are a teacher, whether you are an academician, a professor or a student, one would always like to grow. But remember, there are 2 or 3 concepts. It's not the grade that helps you. Grades of the degree is the foundation base of a pizza. Nobody eats pizza without toppings. So video resume is part of your toppings of a foundation known as your education. So you need to have. Now, when you go to Pizza Hut, you have different pizza. You like it. When you go to a local pizza maker, you will like it. And even in your house also, you like it because of the topic. So video resume is a toppings on your career known as education, foundation known as the education. But sadly, I would like to say many of you, rather 90% of all the students or many even professionals consider resume equal to CV equal to biodata. And remember, there is no ISI, there is no ISO 2000, 3000, 5000, which determines what should be there when you want to showcase yourself to corporate. Should it be resume? So resume should be used here, CV to be used here. There is no standard, but an attempt with a common sense, I am going to make. And that will clarify all of you which word to use when. Biodata. I will not ask questions because I know nobody would be knowing. If at all anybody is there, can anybody, one person can give me difference between biodata, resume and CV? Any one person? I would love to have, other than those who are from my network, because they know. If and all anybody can tell, I would love to have it. I must have trained 20,000 students across so many colleges through my flagship program known as BEP, wherein resume is part of it. It's a one-day session, 1 day, 6-hour session, which I'm going to miniaturize in this 2 hours. So, can anybody make an attempt? Then I can switch over if I feel that nobody can make an attempt. Now, give a hand here so I can feel. Pradeep, is anybody ready to give an explanation? किसी को पता है रेज्यूम और इसमें क्या फर्क है? शुभम शर्मा, रेज्यूम और सीवी और बायोडाटा में फर्क है? पहले तो नहीं है, मेरे हिसाब से नहीं। ये तो अंग्रेजी का मारामारी है, अंग्रेज गए लेकिन शब्द छोड़ के गए। ओके, एज्यूमिंग दैट यू आर नॉट नोइंग दैट, इसलिए तो सेशन है। So commonest word we use is biodata. Now differentiate, see, because before we go to visual resume or video resume, we understand the base is always the word resume. आप कहीं भी जाएंगे ना, इंटरव्यू में जाएंगे ना, तो आपको वो लिख के आएगा, प्लीज कैरी अ कॉपी ऑफ योर रेज्यूम। वो कौन क्या होता है? आपने जो वर्ड रेज्यूम से बनाया वही। तो आई विल हैव टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टीच यू एक छोटा सा 2-5 मिनट में वर्ड रेज्यूम, यू नो। तो इसलिए मैं पहले बैकग्राउंड में गया, बायोडेटा। ना बायोडेटा मीन आपको पता है बायोलॉजी, जहां भी बायोडाइवर्सिटी, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, जहां जहां बायो यूज हुआ है वहां इट रिप्रेजेंट्स लाइफ, लिविंग बीइंग। Biodata means a data of a living being. So a data of a living being can be of a cow, which you bring from Africa, known as Jersey cow, a cow which is of India, Deshi cow, a dog, Alsatian, a dog, Pomeranian. तो ये सबका बायोडेटा होता है। क्यों? बायोडेटा में क्या होता है? खुद की डिटेल। हम अगर ह्यूमन बीइंग हैं तो हमारे खुद की डिटेल है, हाइट, वेट, कलर ऑफ आइज, कलर ऑफ हेयर वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह। पर जब हम कॉर्पोरेट में जाते हैं तो क्या आपकी हाइट जरूरी है? फिर भी हम लिखते हैं, जरूर पन्ना भरने के लिए। क्या? क्योंकि ज्यादातर लोगों को पता नहीं कि रेज्यूमे में क्या होना चाहिए। तो लिखेंगे नेम, फिजिकल एड्रेस, परमानेंट एड्रेस, टेम्पररी एड्रेस, फिर आएगा डेट ऑफ बर्थ, सेक्स, मेल फीमेल। अरे पण कोई जरूरत नहीं है, तो भी लिखते, पन्ना भरना है ना, यू नो। तो भाई बायोडेटा कॉर्पोरेट के लिए दे डोंट रिक्वायर हाइट एंड वेट एंड एवरीथिंग। Yeah, there are some professions where height weights are required, like modeling है, like army है, air hostess है, इसमें height weight है तो that is a bad. But for corporate, and this session is definitely for your job seeker in corporate. Corporate, they don't require height weight. So give a big cross to word biodata. Never use the word biodata in your life. You're gone. You know, that recruiter might use it, but now you have to use it either CV or resume. Make yourself alert. कोई बोलेगा बायोडेटा दे, हाँ हाँ सामने बोलना CV दो या resume. Show that alertness. Coming to CV. CV is a curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae. What do you mean by curriculum? First of all, it's a Latin word. It's a Latin word. It's known as, basically the origin is from a course of race का जो course होता है उसका meaning ये होता है. So when it comes, and then it is converted to curriculum for a study. The course of subject which an individual should study is curriculum. So it's basically a course, a sequence. The first year का curriculum क्या है, second year का curriculum क्या है. So curriculum is pertaining to academics, and YTE means is or pertaining to life. Both Latin word, it means pertaining to life. Together it means information, या course of information pertaining to academic life. Of academic life, matlab, if you are in a first year, if you are in a second year, if you are in the third year. So in a CV, it has to be elaborated in detail. What percentage you have got, what project you have undertaken, which university you passed out, you know, that is to be in detail. But in corporate, they are not bothered about what percentage you got in first year, second year, third year. Yeah, they say you passed out from an AICTE approved college. Okay, fine. 50%. Okay. Corporate grade doesn't matter. These are hard skills. These days corporate wants soft skills, which I am not taking topic today. But they are not interested in के first semester में कितना आया, देखो backlog था, क्या था. Backlog वाले goes up. ऐसा नहीं, और 9 CGPA वाले goes down. It has only 30% weighting in your career. So in CV, you have to write your academic information in detail. कहाँ ऐसा profession में जरूरी है? तो teaching profession में. Teaching profession, when you are applying for a lecturer, researcher, professor, so your academic record is required, because unless you are not a first class or distinction wale, you cannot teach. That's the logic, and rightly so. So whenever you are applying for an academic position, your research position, there you say the word CV, curriculum vitae, sequence of the academic life. That means your academic life should be in detail. So very clear, CV not for corporate. Even corporate wala will be using CV. Unko use karne do. Don't mind, but you should be very clear. I will show you the difference of format also. How CV for one person, if a one person is applying for an industry, how his resume would be and how would be his CV. I will show the difference. Okay. I cannot show that much in detail because we are onto video, but foundation तुम्हारा ये है, resume क्यों, word resume क्यों, ये understand करो. And the word resume आप English देखेंगे ना, तो RE के ऊपर एक लिखी है, line बोलते, और SUME के ऊपर भी है, it is pronounced as resume, again a Latin word. and the meaning is the short summary. Short summary. The first resume was prepared by Leonardo da Vinci in 1482, and it was known as letter of introduction. Resume is basically a letter of introduction. तो तब से चल रहा है, but meaning यही है, it's a resume, resume, but we pronounce resume, it's okay. But it contains what? It contains short summary of your life. Life matlab not our personal life, naturally our academic, but short summary. यहाँ एक चीज आपको मैं समझा दूं सबसे पहले, there is nothing like one page resume. ये one page resume जिसने बनाया है,
सुन एक बच्चा बोल रहा है,
जिसने भी वन पेज रेज्यूम का कंसेप्ट बनाया है ना, वो अपने जेब में से निकाला है. How one page resume can give you a job. One page resume में क्या आएगा? नेम, एड्रेस, थोड़ा बहुत एकेडमिक्स, तो क्या आएगा? एज ये आएगा. तो एक वन पेज रेज्यूम से कॉर्पोरेट क्या आपको नौकरी देंगे क्या? तो और वन पेज रेज्यूम में जो बेसिक डेटा आता है वो तो आप कहीं से भी मिलो, आप आधार कार्ड में से मिल जाता है. तो वन पेज रेज्यूम आपके लिए कागज भेजने का कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है. It's not required. So all those who are seeing one page resume, I will not say they are fool, but corporate says that it's not required. We don't want one page resume. फिर भी हम लोग बोलते रहते हैं उनके पास टाइम नहीं है ना, इसलिए one page resume. अरे who they want a candidate, they don't want, they have a time. जितनी अपने को गरज है उतनी गरज उनको भी है. तो वन पेज रेज्यूम इस कंसेप्ट नहीं, यहाँ उसकी जगह 1 minute रेज्यूम, वो वीडियो रेज्यूम. 1 minute रेज्यूम जो आपको मैं सिखाऊं, 1 minute रेज्यूम अगेंस्ट 1 page रेज्यूम. ओके, सो knowing this background, why we have to use the word resume and not CV? CV for academic, resume for corporate, and biodata for आर्मी एंड ऑल. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आजकल शादी में बायोडेटा यूज करते हैं, उसमें थोड़ा बहुत पर्सनल कुछ आ जाता है, तुम्हारी जात पात नहीं, मामा माता का, दैट इज ओके. सो विथ दिस समरी आई टेक ओवर टू अ कंसेप्ट. आई डेमोन्स्ट्रेट यू अ सैंपल ऑफ अ रेज्यूम, वर्ड रेज्यूम, एंड अ न्यू कंसेप्ट ऑफ अ वर्ड रेज्यूम अगेंस्ट वन पेज रेज्यूम, a concept of 2-column resume. So Prajit, please demonstrate a 2-column resume of a fresher, Mr. Hemant Singh. So it's a 2-column resume, and you please don't mind about the length of paper. कितना 2 पेज होगा तो होने दो. Nothing at the cost of information. अगर short होता है it's okay, but you should not compromise information. Now in front of you, there's a student, the fresh student of an engineer, and towards the left is his photograph. I recommend all of you to have a photograph, and those who say photograph जरूरी नहीं है, उनको आप सुनना बंद कर दो. photograph जरूरी है, because फोटो से, मैंने जैसे आपको आज अभी भी बोल रहा हूँ वीडियो कैमरा ऑन करो, क्योंकि उससे आपका फेस से, देयर आर फेस रीडर्स, रिक्रूटर फेस रीडर होते हैं. यू मे नॉट बी नोइंग, फ्रॉम फेस इज अ मिरर ऑफ योर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. भले इट्स आर्टिफिशियल पर इट्स अ मिरर. तो फेस आपका फोटोग्राफ लगाना है, ओके, बट इट शुड बी इन अ फॉर्मल, दिस वे, टाई एंड ऑल, नॉट अ टी शर्ट. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में फोटो, उसके बाद आप वर्ड फाइल में जाके 2 कॉलम करिए. राइट हैंड साइड में आपके जो जो अचीवमेंट है उसका फोटो लगाइए. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे उसका टेक्स्ट, जैसे आप देखो, आगे जाओ. इसने प्रोजेक्ट किया तो प्रोजेक्ट का फोटो है, उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन लगाया. फिर आ जाता है हार्ड स्किल. मैं एजुकेशन को हार्ड स्किल बोलता हूँ. आप देखो, परसुइंग बीटेक वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. नॉट टू राइट इन डिटेल, लंबा लंबा लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है, कॉलम बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके ओके, आप जाइए आप. एंड एरियाज ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वगैरह, गो अप गो अप. नेक्स्ट पेज कम्स द सॉफ्ट स्किल. यहाँ आप सॉफ्ट स्किल ये लिखते हैं, जो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी है उसको मैं सॉफ्ट स्किल बोलता हूँ, और इसको कॉर्पोरेट वर्ड दे दिया. जैसे क्रिकेट में किया, खेला आपने रणजी ट्रॉफी में, तो उसका नाम आ जाता है यू आर अ टीम प्लेयर विच एवरी कॉर्पोरेट लाइक्स. लीडरशिप, अगर एक आप कैप्टन रहे हो तो लीडरशिप क्वालिटी. तो आप कभी भी एड देखोगे ना, तो ये लिखेंगे वी वुड लाइक टू हैव पर्सन हु टेक्स अप, हु आर प्रोएक्टिव, टेकिंग इनिशिएटिव, लीडरशिप क्वालिटी, गुड इन कम्युनिकेशन. तो गुड इन कम्युनिकेशन ऐसे लिखो, इसकी जगह आप बता दो मैंने डिबेट में पार्ट, इसमें पार्ट ली, तो दैट्स अ गुड कम्युनिकेशन. बोलने के लिए तो सब वन पेज रेज्यूमे में आप लिख देंगे गुड इन कम्युनिकेशन, लीडरशिप, इनिशिएटिव, वो चलता नहीं है. यहाँ ऐसा लिखने से आप उसका कोई क्वेश्चन होता है. ओके, फटाफट कर देता हूँ. यस, दीज आर ऑल डिफरेंट टाइटल्स लाइक प्रोएक्टिव, गुड IQ एंड EQ, प्रेजेंटेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन, डिबेट में पार्ट लेना वगैरह. ऑर्गेनाइजिंग स्किल, कॉलेज में आपने कोई ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, तो दिस इज नॉट एन एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी. The moment you write the word extracurricular activity, it loses its meaning. But the moment you give a nomenclature of corporate, it enhances your value. Now, then comes the last page, strengths, no weakness, strength, hobbies, contact details, email ID, Skype ID, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह, and not to forget signature at the bottom. Okay. Yes. So this is of a pressure. Here, why we have to do it? Because the recruiter gets an idea. He has abilities of ABCD and supportings are already there by certificate, yeah, by a trophy photograph. So he has lesser of issues while you go for an interview. So you should demonstrate that. Now this is a pressure. The same is for an experience. How an experienced person prepare it. So that is Shailesh Thakkar, my own resume. My resume, yeah, ये अभी पहले 3 column चला है, 3 column वाला रही, and then Ritika. Now my resume is a 3 column resume. You saw the 2 column resume. My resume is a 3 column resume. When you have a lot of information and you want to concise it in minimum pages, so you give a brief idea. So it's a 3 column resume. एक फटाफट ले लो नजर. How to prepare column? आप वर्ड फाइल में जाइए, 2 करिए, 3 करिए. It's very simple. Okay, next. फटाफट जाने. ये देखो, on the left hand side is the text, on the right hand side the supportings or photograph supporting. Okay, next. And it's just having a person with 37 years experience is covered in 3 pages. That's I should not say beauty, but that should be. Okay, people with my experience will have 10-page resume, but by going through this resume, one gets an idea. Who am I? Okay, next. Fine. So this is 2 column resume, but this is 3 column resume. That was a fresher 3 column. Mine is just a 3 column for example. Now coming to an experienced person with a 2 column. So now we can have a Ritika's sample. Now she is a professor, lecturer in one of the colleges, having about 3-4 years of experience. And see, mind, this is having, she is wearing tie and a blazer, a must to look professional. Now, after some experience, you can write mission or an objective. I always say for a fresher, you should not write an objective. Because objective is such a thing, when you are fresh, you don't know. And it is the same question where you are being harassed by the recruiter. So avoid. Now, she is a professor with 4-year, 5-year experience. Now, okay, now on the right hand side is a working profile. The work profile is on the right hand side. Left hand side is a education. Okay, next. Now the soft skill, it goes on. Soft skill is goes up. तो थोड़ा अपसेट हुआ है, PDF नहीं है. Okay, next. Now she has done a research, everything covers up here with support. Okay, next. Okay, close this. Now this is a resume of an experienced person and of a fresher. We have seen that. Now, Ritika is, when she applies for an industry, she is a civil engineer, a teacher in engineering. When she applies for an industry, real estate, so she uses this. But when she applies as a lecturer, so what would be her CV? Here comes the difference between CV and a resume. Yeah, Pradeep, CV of Ritika. PDF है नहीं? Yeah. Now देखो, we come to the hard skill. Education वहां हमने एक लाइन में लिखा था, यहाँ अभी एक लाइन में नहीं लिखा है, हमने थोड़ा कॉलम बनाया है, परसेंटेज डाले हैं, कितने साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, क्या कितने साल का स्टडी था, ये we have given a breakup of PG or UG colleges. ऐसे breakup करके, if you are from the same college, you can generalize in the statement and give this and a block in a table form. If you have different colleges, then you can prepare one more column, but it is to be on the left hand side only. Don't prepare a table to cover whole page, and I am against the table. It looks very gaudy. But when she is applying for an academic, she has to give details of the academic. Rest remaining same, here she will give something what she has contributed in teaching, in research, whether she has taken up some research project, or in academics also, whether she has taken up some placement related issues, assignment related to placement, industry visit, वगैरह. So that comes under professional empowerment, that comes under soft skills, that comes under additional work, but I don't give the title additional work. It has different title. Okay, pages. So now the soft skills are same, but here something is added, which is more related to academic. Okay, next. ये तो हो गया आपका this is a sample of CV, resume, fresh and experience. CV, resume, fresh and experience. Now, these are the word files. And for any video file, this is the base. From here, we will convert, we will go to the video file and visual file. Why? First of all, why resume? Now coming to PPT, why we should have a resume? Why we should have a resume? Why we should have a video resume? Back file, back PPT. Why we should have a resume? नहीं, उसके video resume की पहली PPT. Why we should have a resume? First of all, क्यों जरूरी है? Resume जरूरी है क्या? हाँ जरूरी है. क्यों? आज के जमाने में first of all, everybody is a buyer and one is a seller. We have to understand the dynamics of transactions, buy and sell. So you have to consider yourself as a product to be marketed in a market known as job market. So just like a product has a brochure, a product named Prajit Kabu is, or rather should have a brochure, and we call it resume. We are not right now using any other word, CV or anything. So the need is, next page, the need is because you are a product, your resume act as a brochure. आपने कभी देखा है कोई कंपनी फालतू होवे कि खराब हो अच्छी होवे कुछ भी ब्रोशर बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. Meaning you might be a 6 CGPA, 4 CGPA, 5 CGPA. You might not be knowing English, but your brochure should be good one. आपको ब्रोशर एट्रैक्टिव नहीं बनाना है, अटेंटिव बनाना है, लोगों को आकर्षण मतलब ध्यान खींचे ऐसा। वो लाइन दौड़ के फूल लगा के फ्लावर नहीं, ये सब वो नहीं करना है। बिकॉज you take any products brochure also, you will never find gaudy things, and gaudy things don't sell, क्योंकि दिखता है वही बिकता है। So your resume is a brochure, उसको दिलो जान से प्यार करो, ना इंग्लिश की मिस्टेक होनी चाहिए, ना प्रेजेंटेशन की, ना फैक्ट की। इट शुड बी एन फॉन्ट साइज से लेके सब कुछ, कलर कॉम्बिनेशन शुड बी परफेक्ट। ऐसे नहीं दे दिया रेज्यूमे, ठीक है, मैं तो इंजीनियर हूँ यार, 9 CGPA, मेरे को क्या, तेरे को क्या, नहीं दिखता है वही बिकता है। सेकंड थिंग है, आप जब यहाँ जयपुर में बैठे हो और आपको मद्रास में अप्लाई करते हो, तो आपका रेज्यूम आपका एम्बेसडर है। एम्बेसडर आपको पता है व्हाट डू यू मीन? अ कंट्री एज एन एम्बेसडर, country as an ambassador who markets the country, the features of country in absence of prime minister, in absence of everybody. So your resume is your salesman who markets you in your absentia. तो आपको सेल्समैन बढ़िया बनाना चाहिए जो बोले। थर्ड इज, इतनी कंपटीशन हो गई है, तो the first and foremost parameter of any company screening का is resume. रेज्यूम बेस के आप देखो, रेज्यूम आएगा, अरे ये देखते, अरे अंदर चांद और सूरज होगा, लड़का चांद से उतर के आया होगा, बट अगर ढंग का प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं किया है तो nobody is going to call you. So it's a screening, and that's why ultra care should be taken of your resume. The base is always a word file, because word file से लेके प्रिंट आउट लेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कैसे लगता है। ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट के जमाना गया है, अवॉइड ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट रेज्यूमे। कलर राइट चूज करके कलर करना है। जैसे फोटोग्राफ आपने यूज किया है, इट ऑट टू बी इन अ कलर। फोटोग्राफ यूज करने का आपने जहां जहां आपने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया उसका फोटो यूज करना। नेक्स्ट, कम बैक टू ग्रेट। तो you have seen base resume, 2-column resume, 3-column resume, CV and everything, and the need of resume. Now, हमको बायोडेटा का शब्द अंग्रेजों ने दिया, आपको पता नहीं अंग्रेज लोग कैसे लिखवाते। आई बैक टू अप्लाई, भीख मांगता हूँ, आई बैक टू अप्लाई, वो जमाना गया। इट्स नाउ आई डोंट बैक टू अप्लाई, आई एम हैविंग माय सर्विसेज, आई एम हियर टू सेल माय। वो आपके रेज्यूम से पता चले। When your resume is with this pattern, you will be marketing yourself, and the recruiter will feel, oh, I am not trying to get a slave, I am trying to get professional, and वो reflect होता है resume से। अब बड़े बड़े लोग हो गए हैं, लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं है, कंपटीशन बहुत है, तो रेज्यूम देखने का टाइम नहीं है। आपको प्रोसेस पता है क्या कॉर्पोरेट में क्या होता है? Whenever you apply at hr@bsdu.com, तो हमारे HR मैनेजर BSDU की क्या करेंगे, एक तो सब करके एक जगह पे फोल्डर बना के फाइल अप करेंगे, फिर बोलेंगे प्रिंट आउट लें, जब टाइम रहेगा तो प्रिंट आउट। इट टेक्स अ प्रोसेस, है ना। तो HR मैनेजर जब देखेंगे ना तो सीधा क्लिक करेंगे प्रिंट आउट फाइल में। बट if at all I want to take the attention of the HR manager also, or the person who screens at the preliminary stage, at the preliminary, not at the final stage, you have to prepare a visual resume. We call it digital resume. Visual resume or digital resume. And why? जब तो आपका resume आप कैसे ऐसे ही रखोगे क्या? What is the digital resume and why? First and foremost is, एक तो डिजिटल resume आप YouTube पे अपलोड करके उसका लिंक बना के आपके कवर लेटर में, फॉरवर्डिंग लेटर में लिंक डालते हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली रिक्रूटर का ध्यान जाता है। So while HR manager is looking at your cover letter, there is a blue link at the bottom. He will be tempted to open there itself. And before going through the word file, he or she will say, "Isko le lo." Taking. So visual resume is to get an attention from herds of sheep. बकरी गिट्टा में से आपको अलग आना है. So that's why you should have a visual resume. Second is, it minimizes in a minimum time you can convey a lot of information. वहां एक पेज में तो होता है, तो यहाँ 1 मिनट में you can convey lot of things, which Prajit will demo, create in front of you. Create one visual resume in front of you. मेहरबानी करके आप जहां जहां जो सुन रहे हो पेन पेंसिल ले लीजिए और एक रफ पैड ले लीजिए. जैसे जैसे इंस्ट्रक्शन होती हैं वैसे नोट डाउन करिए, because we cannot teach all resume, but at least the title is video resume. Take visual resume, and there are many categories of visual resume. There are many categories. First of all, let us understand the base category, visual resume. So Prajit, over to you for demonstrating the visual resume. We assume he has prepared his
Yes.
own resume, own Word file, because base is Word file. So he has prepared his own Word file and trying to convert in front of him. Okay, so Prajit.
Yes, sir. So yeah, good afternoon, everyone. I would now share my screen. Just so as sir said, the requisite to prepare the visual resume is first to prepare a Word resume, a 2-column Word resume, which can be later converted into a PPT form of resume. So this is my PPT resume, which contains total of 9 slides.
ये
This is
क्लिक निकाल दो,
basically
क्लिक वाला निकाल दो, क्लिक करो.
yes sir, I'm just doing it.
हाँ, F5 कर दे, F5 कर दे, F5.
No sir, I have to convert it, so I'll,
हाँ, fine.
yeah. So this is the PPT resume which I have converted from the Word resume, from the 2-column Word resume. So what you have to do is you have to follow 3 simple steps to convert this PPT resume into a video resume.
Sorry to interrupt, Pranjit. Can you
Yeah.
zoom a bit? We cannot view your PPT. Just
Okay.
zoom a little bit. The text is not visible.
Prajit, I tell you F5 कर दो, बाद में convert करना. Right now you convert it into F5. Let us see. हाँ, अभी आया मैम?
Now it's better. Thank you.
Actually, this is I've converted.
This is actually okay. Fine.
So this is the.
So this is, yeah. Now this is his own resume, Word resume to PPT, and everybody must be knowing what is PPT.
Yeah, so that was the.
Now you can.
Am I audible?
And you're audible. You're audible.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're
Yeah,
audible.
Because I was not getting your voice. Yeah. So this is the PPT resume. So if to convert this into the, like you saw the entire PPT. Now to convert it into the visual resume, first of all you need to add an audio, right? So download. You should.
Go slow, huh? Go slow. Pradeep, go slow.
Yeah. So first of all, you have to download any audio, please keep it a subtle audio, and it should be a non-copyright audio because you have to upload it on social media. So you can download the music from sites like NCS and several. You can download songs from several YouTube channels where you can get the non-copyright file. So I have added an audio already. You can, I'll delete this first. Yeah. So you have to select this audio one. Select audio from file. and then you can add any audio. I'll select this one. As soon as the audio is inserted into the PPT, it will show a audio pop-up like a speaker. Yeah, now you can see this. This is just drag it to the right, because if you don't drag it, then it will be visible in the PPT. Okay, so you have, the moment you add the audio, you have to go to the playback options. This would be the second step, and select play across slides, right? So this will enable the audio to play across the slides. Then you have to select this. This will enable your audio into the PPT. Then you have to select the transitions option. Now there are several transitions in PPT, but I would prefer to have a more of a subtle or a simple transition like wipe or fade or push. So it doesn't look much gaudy, right? So you can select any transition. I have selected I'll select the fade one, right? And then after selecting it, ideally the resume shouldn't exceed 1 minute. So if I have 9 slides in my PPT, I would prefer to keep it on 5 seconds or 4 seconds, so it would not exceed 1 minute, right? So from here, this option, you just select the slide timings. I've selected it to 5 seconds and then apply to all. Okay, so now you have inserted the audio, you have set the transitions. So your PPT is ready. Now just to make sure that all your settings are in place, you just go to the slideshow option and view the entire PPT and just check whether the audio is playing, whether the transitions are set properly. So I'll just share the computer sound so you can also see. Yeah. So you've set the audio, you've set the transitions. Now you just check it through the slideshow. Now, as I guess you can listen the audio using it, and the transitions are happening automatically. Okay, so as you have seen the entire PPT, so you have made sure the transitions and everything is working properly, right? So now you have to just convert it into the PPT into video. Okay, so there are two options by which. Yeah, is the screen visible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So there are two options. Yeah, there are two options from which you can convert the PPT into video. First of all, simply going to save as and selecting the video format .wmv. But there are several versions of Word, like the older versions, where you will not get this option of saving it through WMV. So I'll show you the second option, right? So you can come here and select save and send, and this option of create a video, which will convert the entire PPT into video. As soon as you select this option, it will take around like 5 to 7 minutes to render the entire PPT into video. So we'll not waste that time. I have already converted this PPT into video. I'll just show you that. So this is the file. Wherever you'll save it, you'll find it. So uh, this is how it will play.
Now pause. Now here, why this is 1 minute resume and still in detail. Supposing I want to go into detail, what is the brand ambassador? So I will pause it. So the recruiter has an option to skip over routine information and pause on the specific information. At the same time, he's not crossing 1 minute, because 1 minute divide by number of slides. So 12 slides can come, and I don't think freshers can have, or even experience. My resume is also lesser than 1 minute. Because the moment you have 5 seconds in between 2 slides, so you can at least have 10 to 12 slides. So it's a 1 minute resume. Yeah, go ahead. So, yeah, this is a visual resume. Now, there are many versions of visual resume also, PE mechanical. So this is as if he is applying to an industry. So what he will do, after preparing this visual resume, he will upload on YouTube. He will get a link. Now that link is to be kept on the last page of your Word file. Below your contact details, you have to write my visual resume link. Over and above this, whenever you are applying, sending resume, in the covering letter, after writing those 3 paragraphs, at the end, you write, may I request you to go through following link of my visual resume. तो क्या होता है, आपके ईमेल में जो टेक्स्ट गया नीचे ब्लू लाइन आएगी, ये ब्लू लाइन एचआर मैनेजर को अट्रैक्ट करती है. अरे देखो तो सही, वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग, यू नो, ब्लू लाइन हम सबको पता है, तो क्लिक करेंगे ऐसे देखेगा और 1 मिनट जाती नहीं है. दैट मींस यू आर ड्रॉन द अटेंशन ऑफ एन एचआर मैनेजर. करेक्ट. एंड 12 स्लाइड तक आप 1 मिनट में कर सकते हैं. 12 स्लाइड, एंड द एचआर मैनेजर हैज अ options to pause and look at it without any, and you are creating your link, you are showcasing your link 2 times. One also in your Word resume, whether Word resume is digital or e-resume or a hard copy, there's a blue line. So you have to take out the color printout. So it shows that you are present on the social media. आपको social media में हाजिरी रहना जरूरी है for any jobs. So that shows you are there on a YouTube. Okay, and you have digitalized yourself, your resume. Cover letter में दोबारा attention आ. ये तो हो गया fresh के लिए. Let us look at an academician, a CV or academician, experienced academician, Ritika resume. Visual resume. Ritika है, I think. Yes, she is here.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, fine. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
The time consumed is 52 seconds. Again, lesser than 1. So these are visual resume for experienced and freshers. Now comes, if you are an experienced person and you do not want to show that you are applying for a job, or Prajit, where is your blended wala? Okay, Anna, you do not want to. ठीक है, रवि क्या बताते? You do not want to see if you are अभी नहीं. See, if you are in a job, Still, you want to showcase that you are on a lookout for a job, but you want to convey in a subtle manner. तो कैसे करने का? So that will do it of Ravi. रवि में ब्लेंडेड अटैच नहीं है, ठीक है, रवि का बता, रवि का
Namaste. Talking to target audience is always the right action while one is in the field of marketing. Myself, Ravi Nathani, hailing from Godhra, currently based at Surat. I hope you all are doing well by staying indoors and utilizing this period in a meaningful way. I am currently associated with one of the leading manufacturing companies in the field of wires and cables. I am currently working as a sales executive since last 1 year and have a sound knowledge of all the products. Due to this coronavirus outbreak, I am here to give you some important information regarding the wires and cables industry. As we know that wires and cables are generally used in our houses, underground cables, panel builders, OEMs and much more. We are one of the leading manufacturing companies in the field of wires, cables and conduits. We also have Asia's largest manufacturing plant in our organization. Just as veins play an important role in our body for transmitting blood from one part to the another part, such is the case with fire. Wires and cables play an important role
थोड़ा
for
FF कर
transmitting
दे,
electricity
थोड़ा आगे
from
जाना,
one point
आगे
to
जाना.
another. Let me tell you about our company. The
Bring to the
market
end.
share of our company of wires and cables with compound annual growth. Thank you.
Yes. Now आप देखो, first point is the first point is video interaction, wherein you are in the X field, you try to showcase your knowledge of that particular field in a subtle manner. But then you say, for more interaction, I would love to showcase my attached visual resume. अभी इसके साथ merge कर देने का दोनों. That is known as blending. It's a blending of visual resume and video interaction. और एक्सपीरियंस लोगों को नॉट टू शोकेस के भी मैं नौकरी ढूंढ रहा हूँ, एम्प्लॉयर को पता नहीं चले, इसलिए ये ऐसा बताने का, जस्ट टू नो मी मोर, हैव अ लुक एट माय अटैच प्रोफाइल. तो ये विजुअल रेज्यूम आता है, देख लो. तो विजुअल रेज्यूम चालू करो, जस्ट वन सेकेंड. Okay. Next. So now coming back to grid. Now this is a blending of video interactions and visual resume. Now what is video interaction then? The video interaction is talking to your potential employer. Talking to your potential employer, which fresher can do it very nicely, but an experienced guy has to do it subtly. So first you have to prepare word file, then visual resume, and then video interaction. For video interaction, आप हर महीने experienced person can prepare every 1 month also. और LinkedIn पे लगा दो. आजकल LinkedIn में हाजिरी होना बहुत जरूरी है. आपके LinkedIn के प्रोफाइल में डालो. That's the one way. The other way कि अगर fresher है, my first video interaction was prepared for Paushak Parikh, who is currently with Coca-Cola, at USA. So let us have a look at it. We'll not see whole. थोड़ा देख लेते हैं how to one should prepare video interaction. Fresher, ये experience का blending हो गया. Fresher only visual, only video interaction.
Hello, my name is Paushak Parikh. It is really nice talking to my prospective employers and sharing with them my mission of life, my core competencies, and my contribution to them. Hailing from Gujarat, India, I did my BBA in year 2012 and followed by a postgraduate diploma in accounting and finance. Soon I shall be completing my MBA from Cleveland State University, Ohio in July 2015. Although I did my MBA in marketing specialization, I am basically a generalist. In this fast-moving world, one has to be very versatile. As the martial artist Bruce Lee said, that you have to be like water. You have to take the shape of any object. And in this business world, that is
आगे ले
what I
जाना
want to do. I will define myself
End
as
में
a
end
person.
में ना.
With this, I'm
Concluding.
on a lookout for an avenue. My Skype ID, that is Paushak Parekh 1.
Yes, that is more
growth
important.
that one
I mean, bring back, thoda
I
bring back.
sincerely
I look
appreciate
out
for watching
as
this
a
video.
unit here.
You can contact me.
Yes, yeah. Start.
Visualize myself as a unit head or a profit center head in near future. In turn, I assure my employers the growth that one would not have done before. I sincerely appreciate for watching this video. You can contact me on my Skype ID, that is Paushak Parekh 1, or else my email ID, that is paushakparekh@yahoo.in. Thank you very much.
और आप जान लीजिए, ये लड़के ने फाइनल ईयर प्लेसमेंट हो रहा था, MBA फ्रॉम US, 40 लाख खर्चा करके गया था, जॉब नहीं मिल रही थी, पर ये रेज्यूम हमने इंटरेक्शन बनाया तो उसको 7 डेज में BMW से कॉल आया एंड 1 महीने के बाद उसको कोको कोला में मिल गया. अभी ही इज एट कोको कोला USA कैलिफोर्निया ड्रॉइंग $2 लाख. वहाँ अमेरिकन लोग भी बोलने लगे यार ये रेज्यूम तेरा अच्छा है. एंड दैट इज विजुअल रेज्यूम वीडियो इंटरेक्शन. It was done in the year 2014 for Paushak. I did it for myself in 2011. Okay. So we now, ये तो 2 concept हो गए. Video interactions for fresher, video interaction for experienced, and visual resume. Now blending कैसे करते हैं? Blending of both. So Prajit, if your Budhwani's resume, एक तो बुधवानी का resume या तेरा resume, दोनों एक बताते हैं. जहां मर्जर नहीं करना है उसमें मर्जर करना है, इसमें मर्जर नहीं. Now Budhwani is a person, graduate engineer with 3-year experience and currently look out and doing an MBA and look out for a job.
I'm Yash Budhwani, and this is my Namaste. I'm Yash Budhwani, and this is my video profile. I'm an achievement-driven professional with a technical background and yearning to make a techno-commercial career in field of sales and marketing. I'm currently pursuing my master's in business administration with a specialization of marketing from Dharamsi Desai University, Nadia. My exposure as an MBA graduate has helped me to boost my skills and qualities related to the marketing and business aspects. The thing which drives me to become a professional marketer is my learning ability and an entrepreneur skill. I hold a bachelor's degree in a mechanical engineering and have a corporate experience of 3.5 years prior to my MBA, which has helped me to reinforce the skills of pressure withstanding ability and emotional quotient. Learning perspective, I keep myself updated for the ongoing changes, trends, and market scenarios of the industry. My summer internship with an import-export firm has helped me a lot to understand the aspects and the Incoterms of the imports and exports in a broad manner and boost my market research skill. My soft skills like being proactive and taking leadership adds a lot of weightage to my candidature. Reading books and listening management talks are part of my daily routine. This not only helps me only to study a theoretical concept, but also how to apply the same concepts in the real world. I believe in the saying of Mahatma Gandhi, if opportunity doesn't knock your door, create a door. As attitude along with ability are the two golden aspects of an individual growth. With this saying, I am looking for a long-term association with your organization. Here are my contact details, and thank you for taking your time for watching my video profile. This is me, Yash Budwani, signing off.
Now, he is a person who is an experienced person and doing an MBA and looking out for a job now because he has completed first semester. So second semester में आएगा तो खत्म होते होते उसको job मिलनी चाहिए. So he's a student but an experienced student. Now here is another one. Now this is not a blending of visual resume and that was a merger. Now Prajit has done freshers blending resume. Yeah, Prajit.
Yes.
Namaste. I would like to take the advantage of this visual medium to reach out to the potential employers out there. Myself, Prajit Kabu, a soft-spoken and a hard thinker with having a high level of emotional quotient and common sense. I'm currently in the final year of my mechanical engineering from Government Engineering College, Dahod. My mission is to be a leading techno-commercial professional. Because as an engineer, I believe one should possess commercial knowledge along with the technical knowledge so as to become a T-shaped professional. Being an engineer, I would love to work on a shop floor, but I am equally open for the opportunities in marketing, especially the marketing of technical products. I undertook an industrial internship during my graduation with Indian Railways, wherein I got to know the overall functioning of a railway workshop and several manufacturing processes. My passion lies in reading self-help books and preparing book reviews. I want to pursue this passion by writing articles in technical magazines. Anchoring and mentoring has always been my passion, and I have been pursuing it by addressing people at several events. Being a marketing savvy person, I have created several marketing plans for my institute. I have also played a key role in the brand building video of the institute. I am also an active member of the brand PEP, wherein I have been anchoring the last 12 workshops of 15 days each since the start of the pandemic, and also have developed several brand building videos for PEP. Working with the G2 Innovation Council, I have undertook several coordinating and reporting activities and also empowering students on the operations of the council. I also have an active YouTube channel wherein I post videos regularly. You can check out my YouTube page. I appreciate you taking time to watch this visual profile. I would love to have an interaction with you. It's me, Prajit Kabu, signing off for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So, a small, a two-word topic, video resume, has covered such a vast types and areas, which I think you will appreciate. These are all digital way of showcasing yourself, whether you are a fresher, whether you are an experienced, whether you are an academician, whether you are a corporate guy, or whether a trainer like me. All can showcase. You see, average time of each video is not crossing even 3 minutes. That means it's a surest and best way of showcasing yourself. Why? Because through video, they will come to know your body language, your English, and your ability to showcase things in the sequence for yourself. कई बार क्या होता है हम खुद के लिए लाइन में नहीं बोल सकते. When somebody says tell something about yourself, तो गोल गोल घुमा दे, my father and my mother ने ऐसा कुछ बोलते. But whenever you may take time, script बनाओ करो, लेकिन acting के वक्त यार, when you are doing a camera, वो टाइम पे you have to showcase your natural. And बुधवानी is present, प्रजित is present. बुधवानी रितिका भी, हमारे जो रेज्यूम आपको बताया है वो अभी हाजिर है. Anybody can talk to them, you know. There are many. There are मेरे YouTube पे तो हजारों लोग हैं, and there are many visual resume prepared by at least hundreds of my students. You know, all are present on YouTube. Point is, word resume से लेके PPT resume से लेके visual resume first बनाना है. Visual resume से लेके आपको उसमें variety लानी है. You know, typical visual resume is non-talkative, where you don't talk. So PPT in a sequence lesser than 1 minute. That is 1 minute resume. The moment you talk about yourself, so then there are two types of things: blending of visual resume slides with your speech. That is what Prajit did it. The blending of your skill in the PPT itself with an experienced person, that is what Yash Budhwani did. And only talking to an employer and attaching visual resume at the end, that is what Ravi Nathani did. And just talking to the employer, that is what Paushak Parekh did. Now, when I prepared Paushak Parekh resume way back so many years, I have also prepared his visual resume also. But then visual resume, वो software में, it was, I was not comfortable. 5 minutes लगा है. Now 5 minutes is too long, but then चल गया वो time पे. It's a 2014 की story में चल गया. Because that was a novel concept. Everybody would love to see that for 3 minutes. आजकल किसी के पास time कहाँ है? किसी की बात का सुनने का time नहीं है. अगर ये रवनी मैडम अपने आप के लिए कुछ बोले तो 2 मिनट में मैं ऐसा कर लूंगा. Nobody likes to listen to anybody. अब ऐसे जमाने में you have to take care of the audience. और target audience कौन है? Recruiter, जो वैसे भी arrogant है by virtue of his designation. तो उसको कैसे पहुंचने का minimum time करके और बताने का फिर भी I'm good at English. भले ना हो, but here you will showcase you are good in English. इसका ट्रेनिंग दिया था मैं ट्रेनिंग देता हूँ. Budhwani and all are there. You know how ये एक मेरा resume writing का session is of 8 hours live and same online 4 days 2 hours daily. इतना सरल नहीं है. You know, बताते तो बोल दिया राजित ने. आपको काफी क्वेश्चंस होगा. I will take the question because क्वेश्चन नहीं होगा तो हम ये मेहनत कुछ काम का नहीं, हम जैसे कृष्ण करके चले जाते हैं. I want you to ask questions. Okay, so that's why your university did a marvelous job to showcase. काफी देखो इतनी, you may not be knowing, there are 6500 universities in India, out of which only 100 universities are knowing this thing, something called as visual resume. Only 100. बाकी तो nobody bothers. Even IIT doesn't bother. They are not aware. I was so happy when I got the information from ma'am that you are interested in a video resume. I was so happy because primarily this is my concept reached to Jaipur, and after 70 so many years. You know. So it was, that shows your skill university is literally trying a lot for skilling you, skilling the society in general, students, learners. You know. So yes, after Ravi bhi aaya hai. Ravi, you are also there. Ravi.
Yeah, sir. Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram. You are in the field, kya?
No, I am currently in office.
Achha, okay, fine. So yes, all samples resumes are here. You can ask questions to them also. Okay, not to me, ask them only. So, ma'am, thank you, Ramani madam, very much. And Prajit, our last slide showcase karte ho, and then I would say concluding karte, फिर question answer लेते हैं. Okay. So friends, I have rightly Madam said, YouTube channel where there are many resumes, many interactions, many testimonials. So this is the YouTube channel which you can screenshot, take the screenshot. और ये मेरा blog है. If at all you are interested in learning lot of things, get in touch with me. But definitely आप YouTube channel जरूर से देखिए. कुछ भी नहीं तो. There are thousands of students who have got benefited to these resumes and all. They are right. They have a video testimonial and video resume. Lot of, and in my blog also is from 2010 when I launched my first book, I the Career Carver, which is available on Amazon. So it was inaugurated by GTU Vice Chancellor. So these are all there in the YouTube. This information is already there. And I think you may, my group is known as YCG, and I have a strong, I should say teammates of 25 soldiers who are working in organizations, and many of them are present here, taking time out and reaching to all of you, because we are joined in a mission known as Empowering Youth of India for Employability. We all strive for employability, and we don't want Indians to go out. And we, through our resumes, it is proved that through our resumes, Indians and we all can get a job equivalent to Canada. And the example is Paushak Parikh, who has got a job in Coca-Cola through that Indian resume of mine. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you to management. And Prajit, yes, back to Greek. And we would love to have question answers, ma'am and students.
Yeah. Yes, sir. That was fantastic, Shailesh. You shared wonderful tips and tricks, which we can only get to hear from such experienced people. Only then it is possible. Thank you so much once again for your valuable time. And we have a question from one of our students at BSTU. Is with regards to your physical appearance and background, what all things have to be taken care when we are making our digital resume?
What do you ask?
So how should we dress up, and how should we? I mean, the background should be proper, the lighting should be proper. What type of camera and laptops to be used? So minute technicalities.
Yeah, I would the horse's mouth. We have 3 horses. Let the mouth speak. Prajit, what you unsure?
Yeah. So regarding the attire, you were saying it should be strictly formal with a tie. It's preferable if you wear a suit, right? And regarding the cameras or anything, nothing special is required. From your smartphone and edit it in any of the free softwares available. Like I would like to name one of the software like VSTC, or you can edit your visual resume in that simply, the video interaction. So you don't need anything special. You can simply shoot on your smartphone.
Yeah, but yes, Budwani, what you did? How many hours you took? मेरे को ये बताओ, Prajit. How many hours you took?
Yes, sir.
ये सच बताना, सच बताना, झूठ मत बताना. 10 minutes ऐसा नहीं बोलना. How many hours?
Yeah, it took me an hour to shoot my video interaction. I took 3 takes to shoot my video interaction. So yeah, it takes time. You just acclimatize with the atmosphere and just be calm, composed. You can.
And what about the script? You prepared the script manually or just ऐसे ही चल गया?
You can be impromptu, but it's better to have a script with you. It's better to have a outline of.
Yeah, and Budwani, what you did? Ritika, I would like to, because you took some 26 takes, na? So Ritika, I would like to give your opinion. Okay.
Initially, it was my first video interaction, so I was a bit shy for making the video, and it took me at least around almost 2 to 3 hours, and more than 25 to 26 shot around, and then I was reluctant that I would not make it, but finally have given the assignment, so we have to do it, and I was so sure that I have to do it. Then finally I have prepared the video.
And it turned out to be the best one.
Thank you, sir.
Correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
in fact, all the resumes are very impressive. I was just looking at the minute details, and they are made very professionally, and all of them are, you guys have done a great job. Excellent.
Yeah.
Thank
And
you so
Budwani,
much.
yeah. Budwani,
Yeah,
I'll share with Budwani also is my designer, you know.
All right, great. All right. Thank
Yeah.
you so much once again, everybody, for your valuable time. I would also like to extend my thanks to the entire BSU and SEMCA learning community. Last but not the least, our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Achintya Chaudhary, sir, and our admissions head, Dr. Rajdeep Dev, sir. Now, I would like to call Ridu Goyal, ma'am, to give a vote of thanks to all of us.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Myself, Dr. Mridu Goyal, and I would like to pay my gratitude to Shailesh Thakur, sir. It was a really wonderful event taken by you, and some practical insights which all students are struggling with today were taken care. And Prajit Kabu, sir, you was extremely wonderful, sir, and to all the participants who have shared their practical experiences with us. It's really a very beneficial webinar for all the students. So I'll along with giving the thanks, I'll request all of you to please attend our validation program of Skill Carnival 2021 for tomorrow. It's being scheduled for tomorrow. And taking this opportunity, I would like to have a screenshot of your wonderful experience with us. So I would request you all to please switch on your videos and so that I can capture
Yeah.
this beautiful moment with us.
I want all of you to give a nice smiling gesture so that we can create a team portrait out of it. So you can either do like this or like that, anything which you like.
Yes, of
Yeah,
course.
that's like it.
Great. So I'll request all the participants to please do this.
Everybody, please switch on your cameras. Request you to switch on your cameras, please. Yes, thank you.
Just a second, I'm taking more shots.
Pradeep, you take a shot. Hireni is not opening. Shubham.
Okay. So thank you very much. Please do
Pleasure.
join us on 15th. It's a wonderful validation, and you'll be having a great insights from our experts. Thank you very much. And
Yeah, request all of you to join on 15th as we have the gala closure event for our Skill Carnival. We'll be sharing the links shortly with all of you. Thank you so much once again being part of this event today. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay healthy. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Welcome, everybody.
We are sharing certificate link. Please give us a minute. We've shared the feedback link in the chat box. Please, you can give your feedback.